How to connect Apple Watch to iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to connect Apple Watch to iPhone. So let's begin. Before we proceed, you should need or have a Wi-Fi connection since it will require you to have an internet connection so that you may log in with your Apple ID or you may transfer your data from your iPhone to your Apple Watch. So make sure first you have been connected to a Wi-Fi right here. And then you should also take note that you should have the latest version of the iOS. So to do that, go to Settings and then go to General and go to Software Update right here. So once you're in Software Update, make sure to click on Download and Install right here on the bottommost part of the screen. And then assuming that you have the updated version of the iOS now, you may now click on the Watch app of the iPhone. This app is built in on your iPhone. However, if you cannot see this app, you may just simply go to the App Store and search for Watch. So simply open Watch, and then assuming that you have not connected any of the watches yet, um, you may be able to see this screen like this one. So you may either set up for myself or set up for a family member. So click on setup for myself if you want to, or setup for my family member. So as you can see, setting up for a family member requires Apple Watch Series 4 or later. So if you set up for myself, simply click on it and then make sure that your Apple Watch has been turned on, and then it will show you a somewhat like a code or a circle thing that will um, require you to point your screen, this one, or your camera to that Apple Watch. So I might get my Apple Watch first. And then once you have directed your screen, and then it will simply load and you just simply follow the steps needed in order for you to log in to your Apple Watch. So also do take note to turn on your Bluetooth so that your Apple Watch will be successfully connected to your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can connect Apple Watch to iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.